What's up, lifelong learners? It's your boy, Mr. Hang, and I'm going to show you how the flash control. So I'm going to go into the flash control here, push set, scroll down, and I'm going to go to external flash settings. Actually, I'm going to go to built-in flash first, and I'm going to turn off my wireless function to disable. And I'm going to show you how these two settings are similar. So if I turn this on right here, you're going to see ETTL. Okay, you have ETTL and you have manual, just like what you have right here on the left hand side. If you click in, you will have manual flash. Okay, now as a reminder, ETTL is basically auto power flash. The camera will figure out how much power to output with the flash, and then manual is what you get to choose. If I go here, go to manual, I get to choose the power, which is right here on the bottom. Not the bottom, but right here. Full power, so on and so forth. And I can dial it, click into it, and I can dial the power just like how you can dial the power in manual flash right here as well. Oh wait, that's exposure compensation. Here's the power output for the flash where you can go left, go right, so on and so forth. So they basically work the same in terms of manual mode and ETTL mode. So now I'm going to set this. I'm going to go back out to ETTL. Okay, and then you have this thing right here. I'll go back to ETTL as well. You have first curtain sync right here on the left hand side. Oh, I forgot I can touchscreen this, duh. All right, let me just disable that. First curtain sync right here, and there's an icon right here where it looks like an arrow. That's first curtain sync. This is second curtain sync, and this is high speed sync. All right, high speed sync is for shooting for shutter speed beyond 1/250th, and then second curtain sync can shoot 1/250th at the fastest speed, and same with first curtain sync. So it's the same, except for your on-camera flash does not have high speed sync. So if I go in here on the left-hand side, if I click on touch curtain, there's only first curtain and second curtain sync. Whereas this one, you have, let me go back. Let me go back here, go in here, first curtain sync, second curtain sync, high speed sync to shoot beyond the shutter speed limit. Okay, so beyond the 1/250th, you can go to 1/500, 1/1000, so on and so forth. Once I put it on here, you will see. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and go down here where you have exposure compensation. So you got the same here. If you go to ETTL mode, you got exposure compensation. You can dial that right there by pushing in. Okay, and then don't worry about the zoom, and we're going to worry about the wireless another day. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to put this down, put this on top, and you can see here when you go into menu, flash control, go to external flash, and then you will see basically whatever you see up here. Let me just, there. They basically mirror each other. All right, so if I change something here, actually, let me see here. If I change this to second curtain sync, this should also change to second curtain sync. I click on this, they should change. All right, so they should match. Okay, so let's say if I change this to, let me touch this again and get out of this. All right, let me change this. Click flash control, external flash. Let me change this from ETTL to manual. So what's going to happen when I click OK? Oh, look at that. See how this got changed to manual as well? So they basically work the same way. All right, and if I change this from full power to 128, click on that. Oh, look at that. That one changed. Okay, and let's see if I can do this. Change this back from 128 to full power. Click OK, half press, and then go into this external flash settings. Look at that. This one got changed to full flash. So they work hand in hand. Once they're connected, there are these metal parts here that sends the signal from here to here or from here to there. All right, hopefully that'll help you out. Oh, don't forget to say goodbye. Rock, paper, peace.